I'm Rona Lewis, fitness and lifestyle coach and healthy chef. Today, I'm going to show you a great sauce for grilled salmon, and it's a classic. It's called beurre blanc sauce. It's actually easy, but there's a couple of ingredients that are really important to make this perfect. Now, what you're going to do on a medium to high flame on the stove in a nonstick pot, and a half of white wine vinegar, juice of half a lemon, a shallot, and 3 or 4 peppercorns. Now, you're going to cook this until it's almost dry. So the shallot should be just a little bit wet. Now from there, you're going to take the heat and move it down to low. Now this is half a stick of butter. Yes, I know, but it's really good. What you're going to do is add 1 piece at a time using a whisk and just stir slowly until all the butter is melted. You're going to taste it and you add salt and pepper to your liking, and this is what it looks like at the end. It's a lovely sauce, very simple and very flavorful. And here is your grilled salmon. To make a nice presentation, you want to lay it along the side like so. You want to make sure you have just enough sauce for the entire piece of fish, but you want to make sure it's not drowned in it. So that is the classic beurre blanc sauce for grilled salmon. I'm Rona Lewis, fitness and lifestyle coach and healthy chef. Thanks for watching.